RACKS steel wall shelf. I got a 2-pack of the 18 by 48. This is what it comes with: 4 brackets, 4 hooks, the installation hardware, the little brackets to hold in between these brackets, and then this is a 48-inch piece, and I'm putting it up here on the wall. Need some more storage space. I had some of these racks and I really like them, but got more stuff. I need more space. So these are on COSTCO. Sometimes they go on sale. Unfortunately, I missed the sale. But anyways, I'm just working through these right now. And the first thing to know is that they want you to put these brackets at 32. Most modern homes are built on 16-inch studs. But there is that little bracket that goes in between as a support, and you're gonna have overhang on both sides. Instructions are pretty good so far. Reading the reviews, most people said that these are great, except you have to redo the top bolt to account for putting the rack on, and you won't be able to get the rack to slip into this notch and into that notch with the top lag bolt on. So most important tool for this job is a stud finder. You got to get all those bolts into stud. So what I did was I found my studs, I marked them a little bit lower, and then I came up here and I marked the edges of the stud. See those 3 lights, and then the center, and then I just measure a uniform line from the top down. And then one trick with working into studs is always start with a smaller drill bit, and then you want to see wood shavings come out. So what that is going to do is just confirm that you hit a stud and not like a pipe or electrical conduit. So you want to confirm. So I always drill my first hole with a smaller drill bit, then the regular drill bit comes after, just to confirm. Another tool that might help you here, I have a long level that I have from another project I worked on, but you can use a long ruler just to get the alignment average between those holes. So it's pretty straight. I mean, this doesn't have, it's not a tile or something, it doesn't have to be totally straight, but you know, that long straight edge will help to keep your, at least, you know, as flat as possible or as level as possible. Also, a level helps. And then what I'm doing is I put that straight edge along the line of the last 2 holes, and then just draw, like right here, I just drew a little line, and then I mark the stud there, and then I can measure down that uniform distance and put the point where I want to drill. Now what I'm doing for after I get the first hole drilled is line it up, put a level up there, get it level, and then drill the other 2 holes, mark them and drill them. Another good tool to have for this project is a carpenter's pencil, or any pencil, or a pen, just anything so you can mark. Just keep in mind, and I was initially going to do a little differently, but you only need 3 holes every 32 inches, and then you wait till the end to put this bracket on, and you don't need to measure that out or anything, you just put it on wherever it is. So I initially was going to put 2 next to each other, and I was drilling every 16 inches, but you don't need to do that if you're only putting 1, or depending on how your studs are. It's going to help as a impact driver to get those lag bolts in, so you don't have to use a ratchet the whole time. Impact comes in real handy. So one thing to keep in mind, these are angled up to prevent stuff from sliding off, or if there's an earthquake or whatever. And I didn't put the top bolt in right now. I didn't want to have to fight with getting that in there, but looking at it, I don't know, it might work. It might work to get it in there. There's only a little bit of space, so got it bolted in, and I can says 250 pounds, and I can attest to that. I can hang off of this thing. So a little bit of storage there, about 4 feet, and then you just keep going if you have another panel. And you got a big mess. Watch my video on the garage vacuum. So thanks everyone for watching. I'm gonna put in this slat wall too. This is a COSTCO Pro slat wall, 8-foot section. I'm gonna put that down here somewhere and get some more storage space. So please do subscribe. Thank you everybody for watching.